Hi YouTube, just a small update today. Nothing major has happened. Well, major I should say, but let's get into the video. First of all, I got the scale scene platform paving. So all I did was, with a PVA glue, spread it with a paintbrush on the wood side, measure it up and stick it down. I found these buildings what I had. So yeah, I've come to a conclusion. This end mined all the boxes. Have a little tunnel, double track tunnel, a road tunnel. Move these out of the way. And to hide the point switches, I'm going to put a retaining wall Metcalf down there. So I'll just hide the point switches. I'm going to go for a road. A bit of a T-junction here for traffic. And down here, I had a suggestion from Tony at Northeastern. So check out his channel. To put a good shed here. Which I really like the idea. Because as a village country station, you potentially wouldn't have an engine shed. You'd probably have goods for the villagers. So yeah. So that's just a small update. Nothing big has happened. So at the end of this video, I'm just going to put a clip at the end of me having this Ginty running up and down. So anyway, have a good Sunday. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.